One of the reasons people can't keep the New Year resolutions they have made is because they lack accountability and the motivation they need to keep doing the things they have resolved to do for the year. But maybe when money is involved, they have all the motivation they need to keep on doing the things they have resolved to do for themselves for the year. So we're going to be talking about side hustles you can carve out of that New Year resolution that you have resolved within yourself to keep for the year, be it exercising more, reading more books, or traveling, or anything at all that you want to do to better your life this year. So we're going to look into how you can monetize these New Year resolutions. Now, if you want to golf more, surf more, or play football games or anything at all, like any sports like pickleball, you can try your hands as a coach and earn more money while you exercise. A site called Teach Me To allows people who are great at these sports to sign up, create a profile, and set their own rates to teach these popular part-time games to others. If all these sports that I mentioned are not for you, then Athletes Untapped and Coach Stop are websites that can connect coaches in other sporting games like soccer, baseball, basketball, volleyball, and many other sports that athletes need help with. Now, coaches say they typically earn between $20 and $50 per hour, depending on the location, sports, and the level you're going to be coaching on. So you might want to check out these websites that can help you. In addition to sporting activities, if you want to lose weight or you just want to stay in shape, and that is your resolution for the year, a great way to start your cardio fitness plan is to simply walk. As long as you are walking, why not take somebody's dog along and get paid while you're doing it? There are two websites that can help you find dog walking gigs. Websites like rover.com and wag can actually help you. Rover is the better of the two, giving dog walkers the ability to set their own rates and availability. These sites allow you to offer other services from boarding to bath as well. Dog walkers typically charge between $20 and $25 per half hour. Boarding charges range from $25 to $100 per night. So this is a very lucrative side hustle to consider. And of course, I have a video right here that can teach you how you can use some apps that can actually motivate you to walk. Your goal is to like stay fit or exercise more. You can start off by walking. And that app is actually going to help you. They pay you according to the number of steps you have taken. You might want to check out that video. Now, coming on the second side hustle that you can actually do if your resolution this year is to travel more, you might consider offering tours through Violators and Tour by Locals. These are websites that can actually help you, become a freelancer. Now, both sites allow freelance tour guides to come up with their tour ideas that they publish on the site. You determine the agenda, the schedule, and the price, paying the site a commission for marketing and collection. So you see, it's a very great platform. All you have to do is just to set your price. What the platform does is to take their own commission. Your tours can involve anything that interests you. So you could tour the city's best modern art museum or do foodie tour. If you want to roll three resolutions into one, you can make it a walking or biking tour. So this is another way you can like make up two things at a time, and then you earn money, by seeing good sights and then exercising at the same time. So this is a great thing you should consider. Now, another one is for people that have resolved to read more books this year. If your resolution is to read, either to learn new things or simply appreciate literature, you can get paid to read. If you're willing to point out errors or write reviews, there are websites that can help you. So if you're in the US Review of Books is a website that pays freelancers to review self-published books. Review generally run 250 to 300 words and pay $25. Longer reviews of 500 to 600 words pay more, up to like $75. So the applicants are paid to review regardless of whether they are hired or not. So this is another great platform. And if you're skilled at proofreading, you can check out websites like Penguin Freelancer and Red Sea. Also, I have a video here that can help you secure a proofreading spot with a website called proofreadingservices.com. You might also want to check out that video to learn more about proofreading services. Also, there are other websites like onlinebookclub.org that can actually help you. They give you free books to read and then you review. So this is a way you can actually make money by using your New Year resolution and sticking to it, because once you know you're making money off of it, you will have all the motivation you need to keep going. Please, before I continue with other side hustles, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone. I really appreciate you for your support. Now, moving on, the last one I'm going to mention is very lucrative. However, you need to put in the work. But the good thing is that it's going to help you document your journey, and you're also going to earn from it if you're able to stick to it and succeed in the end. Now, for people that want to eat healthy, sleep earlier, stop procrastination and other stuff that people usually use to make their New Year resolutions. You can document yourself, create a content out of it, post it on social media platforms like TikTok, like Facebook, Instagram, even on YouTube. People are willing to watch those kind of content. That way, knowing that you are accountable to your viewers, you'll be able to keep up with the things you are doing because that is the reason they are coming to watch your content and you're making money off of it. Unfortunately, this one requires you to put a lot of work in before you'll be able to get monetized and start earning money. But it is worth it given that one, you are documenting your journey to keeping your New Year resolution, and secondly, you are also making money doing that. So it is a very great way to keep you in track to make sure that you'll be able to keep the New Year resolutions you have made for the year. Now, if you're very much serious about keeping to these resolutions, you might want to check out the websites that I've mentioned in this video. Sign up with them and document your journey. Earn money as much as you can and stay consistent. Before you know it becomes part of you and you don't need any motivation anymore to keep it track, like to continue doing what you have resolved to do for yourself within the year. Now, if you're looking for where you can find freelance writing job that you can make money out of, you might want to check out this video that explains everything and how to get started. And also, if you want to create your own faceless YouTube channel this year and you want to use an avatar and you don't know how to go about it, you might also want to watch this video. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone. I really appreciate you. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.